What's going on, y'all? I'm back at it again. So I know my last video ended pretty quickly, but I still got some things to finish up. So I'm just got some things to clean up, the AC stuff, putting the battery tray back in, getting everything cleaned up and wired up nice. I'm about to put in the other fender and fender well. That's right here. So I was gonna put it on last night, but I wanted to soak the bolts, and this is stuff I've been getting just to knock the rust off of the bolts and stuff. So I let those sit overnight. I'm gonna clean those up, and then we're gonna throw this fender on, and then we're gonna start cleaning up all these wires and everything. I have loom that I can put them in. I just want to get everything organized. The pedal I need to put inside and run the wires and stuff back inside after I finish my troubleshooting. It now does start up and do everything. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that. I'll be coming back and forth as I'm working on things to show y'all where I'm at and what we're doing. But today, my wife decided she wanted to drive her 73 Impala. It's been sitting probably for about 6 months. So we pulled it out there. I pulled it out and got some gas in it, make sure it's good, let it warm up. And she about to take it for a drive. For y'all that this y'all first time seeing it, it is a 73 Impala. It's got 30,000 original miles on it. It still drives amazing. And then she floats like a boat. So the wife is gonna drive her car today, and this is her car, not mine. So she's gonna drive hers today. I was thinking about getting one. I wanted to get the convertible, so a 73 or a 75 convertible Impala or Caprice Dunk. So I thought about doing that as well, but we'll see. We'll see. I got all kinds of things that I want, so we'll see what happens. But I'll be coming in and out as today's really nice outside, so I'll be coming in and out as I finish up this truck and get everything squared away. So wifey about to take her car today. Yeah, that's from your car. So the power steering pump was leaking, so it was the O-ring on it. So I changed out the O-ring, so I need to clean up those spots that she got. But yeah, let's see if she knows what she's doing. All right, take it easy. Hopefully she don't gotta call me. Last time she drove it, she called me and said, I can't get it started. So I had to go meet her, start it right up. So, all right, back to the truck. I'll come back. Hey, so I wanted to come back for a minute and just show y'all what I did. So what I did was I changed my battery from the passenger side to the driver side. And I needed the driver side tray. So I ordered this off of LMC truck. So I ordered this off of LMC. And then I purchased this battery hold down. I think I purchased it for my car, but didn't use it. So I decided I was gonna put it on here. So I just made it so so I attached it. I drilled a hole in the bottom of it, and then I ran a screw, a bolt, and a nut through here on each side, and it's all nice and sturdy. So this is what I'll be using as my battery hold down. I was gonna powder coat it black, but it's all good. I'm gonna leave it this raw aluminum look. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in, hook the battery back up, and then we're gonna start working on this fender, getting this fender put on. And after I get the fender on, I'm gonna work on the air filter, the intake, and then I need to go ahead and put this transmission dipstick in as well. So a few things to come, but we working. So all right, what's up, y'all? So I'm still working. I got my transmission dipstick in. So That's not where it's gonna go. I just put it there for now. I got the long one, so it's a little bit too long. So don't get the extra long, just get the regular one. It's literally right there. So don't even waste the money. Right now I'm trying to get the starter wires. I took the long tube headers off so I can get to the starter and kind of clear up these wires and get everything squared away, so nothing will get burnt. So that's what I'm working on right now. It's late at night. I got my little heater going. So it's actually snowing outside right now, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward. I got my wife over here helping me out, cleaning up the top covers. So, all right, I'll be back in a minute. So I don't know if y'all ever heard of this stuff. It's called Solution Finish, but it's supposed to restore black trim, all kind of plastics, vinyl. I picked this up off Amazon for one of my other vehicles, but I decided to try it on the covers. So right now in the process of doing it. So we'll see how it turned out. This one's just been cleaned. This one has the stuff applied. This one has it applied, and now we just got to go through and actually wipe it off and then let it cure and dry. So we'll see. Be back in a few. So we finally got some things going. I got the fender back on. I got the intake in. So I got this fender on. I didn't put the wheel well back in. Of course, I'm still working on the heat and AC. All of that stuff is coming next. But I got all the wiring and everything kind of put up, zip tied the way I want it. As y'all can see, it's full of snow outside. So I've been in here working in, but I got my little heater, so. All right, so we finally got everything back together, got everything on. This time we actually do a startup. So let's make sure everything's good to go. See if this thing, yep, the throttle body is moving. So we're gonna pull this thing out tomorrow. I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit more tonight, get everything up squared away, and then we're gonna pull, like I said, we're gonna pull it out tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now, and the next one will be me actually driving the vehicle. So if this is your first time, like, comment, subscribe, drop down below, tell me what y'all think of the build so far. I've done most of it all by myself, so that was my goal, was to go ahead and knock out this all by myself, first time doing all of this. And I think it's turned out pretty good. So, all right, I'll be dropping another video soon. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this project finished up because I got a new project that's on the way. So let's get this one finished up. So I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace.